What up, people? This is Bonjo. We're here at Sand Station in Barcelona. We're taking a bullet train to Valencia, the Renfe. It's a good train, huh?
Yeah, Renfe is a big company. Then you have the other one, that is the one that we are taking, and it's the fast.
The bullet train, yeah.
Bullet train. That's
yeah, and we booked ours in advance, so all of our tickets were like 56 bucks or something.
Yes.
56 euros. And we were staying like the premium seats, the first class or whatever you want to call it. But if you were to book it yesterday, the regular seats would be more than 100 euros. So you got to book it in advance, like everywhere. If you don't book it in advance, they charge you like double, triple the price sometimes. So it's kind of crazy. But this is the train station here. It looks nice, huh? Looks pretty nice. We're in Sands, and we got to go through this gate 1 to 6, and all our information will be on those screens up there. I see. So we're gonna go check it out. Let's go see what a first class train looks like in Barcelona. Now this is not the easiest, smoothest or anything. It's confusing. Look how many people are here. There's so many gates. It was kind of hectic, huh?
Oh my god.
Look at this shit. It's crazy, especially with all this stuff. Ooh, I don't know what we're doing here. Sit right in here, eh? Down here, 1. Alicante.
Valencia, Alicante.
Ah, craziness here.
Super weird. I didn't know that we have to do check control our stuff.
Yeah, they put our stuff through the X-ray machine and everything.
So we came with 1 hour ahead, and actually we only have 20 minutes left now.
Yeah, so it takes a little bit of time, and you want to get here early because the train will leave without you, and it always arrives early. That's apparently what they said. So there it is. That's the company we're with, but so now we're waiting in this line here. Look at that line over there. I'd hate to wait over there. I think that one, those are going to Madrid probably, eh? Valencia is not so popular.
Valencia and Alicante. Alicante is also another.
And this line is like you got to go through the check, and then through here there's another one through there. Oh, it's crazy. Pretty crazy.
It should be priority or something.
Yeah, but I think, I don't know, but we're almost there. First class. Yeah, if you buy the first class, they should let you in first, no?
Yeah.
Priority.
Yeah. We are coach 12, okay?
Coach 12. We're coach 12. This one's 17. So I imagine it's this way, huh? 18. Yeah, this way. Oh, 16. Little bugger. Not bad.
Nice, huh? All the people are going that way. We're going this way, baby, because
this
we
way.
are first class.
Yeah, but apparently first class isn't that much of a difference. But hey, to us it is, huh?
For us, it's amazing.
But this is what it looks like down here. Look at this. A bullet train. Let's get it. I'm excited. This is our second bullet train though, I think. Italy we had one. Italy we went on the bullet train, but I think this is like the big brand bullet train. Big name. Look at these guys loading all the drinks. All the soft drinks. Oh, we got here some booze. Let's get some Tim K on. Wow. Coche 12. 13. This is our papicito. There we go. Yeah. Let's get on there, huh? Watch my phone, huh? Yeah, because Enzo has my phone. We don't want him to toss it. Coche 12. That's what it looks like. I don't know why Mickey has her sweater here.
Because
that's annoying. And this is what it looks like. Lots of legroom. Almost too much, yeah?
yes, amazing.
Yeah, almost too much because you gotta read. But we're here. How do you like this? Think it's worth it?
I love traveling by train. I think it's so much comfortable. It's bigger.
Does this go through the countryside? Or yeah, it has to, right? We get to see out the window, like. Or is it more of an underground thing? Look at it.
He's saying that
Over there.
yeah. Here only the small one.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, that would kill somebody. Let's go see what. So we're gonna take this for a walk. I want to see where the restaurant and everything is.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Que el nerviosismo se genera ir en tren cuando tienes alguna.
Let's see where this is, huh? Oh, so this is where the bar is. This will be where the canteen is and the bar. Pretty good. Okay. We're gonna probably get some snacks, but we already brought some because we knew they'd charge an arm and a leg on here like they do everywhere. So yeah, but it smells like beer on here already. People are boozing. Beer and perfume. Beer and perfume on this train. It's nice though. We're gonna relax now, and then we'll be in Valencia. So I'm excited.
3 hours.
And I'm a little bit sick. They were sick first. Now I'm feeling a little bit sick, but not so sick. Like a sore throat. That's it. From traveling, huh? And talking.
Yes.
And talking.
That's oh my god, how you say in English? For example,
Raspberry.
that's it. I love it.
It's a raspberry. I don't know. What is that? Oh. Meow. Put it in the thing. Oh, you want chin?
Chin chin.
Here's to a good journey to Valencia. Valencianos, yeah? Tastes so good. But it's packed. I thought it was going to be empty, kind of.
Yeah, me too.
But here they come. It's all packed. We're almost at the front, actually. This is like the last two, no?
Yeah. No, this is number 12, so there's 12 more over there.
Ah, damn. I thought I seen only one more. Yeah, there is. There's only one more. Right up there. And then the drivers. So they count weird, yeah? They started at 10. No, they started at 11.
Yeah.
That's crazy. But I don't know. I don't think we're going to buy anything on the train. Alright? I don't think so.
Last time, I remember in Italy we got a coffee like this and it was €5.
Yeah.
So we learned a lesson.
Yeah. But I mean, if Daddy needs a beer, he'll fork up the cash. And if Mama needs a croissant,
No, I don't need a croissant.
if you need one, you'll buy it.
Okay, like this. If you spend €5, I spend €5.
Yeah.
You have to be equal.
Equals, yeah? Chin chin.
Chin chin. No, maybe more agua.
Yeah, more water. We got this Prime thing.
Water?
No, it's, I don't know. Arsenal sponsors. They sponsor Arsenal. So I bought it. It's what are those brothers called again?
The brothers.
Jake Paul or Logan Paul, one of those guys. And KSI, the Arsenal fan. So I would buy it. They didn't have the Arsenal version, but they have the ice pop.
Hydration.
It's probably nasty. You want to try it?
Bebida refrescante.
It's
Sabor
supposed to.
cereza.
So this is like a ice pop is like something in Canada and USA. Try this.
You want we open now?
Sure.
It says that it's flavor.
Yeah, it's ice pop flavor. So it's raspberry, and I forget what the colors are.
So
lemon.
I have to shake it?
No, you just have to open it.
Ah. This mama.
Uh-oh. It's weird?
Super sweet.
It's super sweet. Let's see that. Yeah, that's an ice pop.
Yeah, it tastes
That's
good.
exactly it. Just tastes like ice pop if it was melted down. I don't know if
Where is that?
who wants a melted ice pop? That's how I feel. Gay. Did I just turn gay? Nobody told me about this part. Whoa. My ears pop more than an airplane. Jeez. How about your ears?
Hey, it hurts.
It hurts, huh?
Oh my god, again.
I don't know what's going on here. Jeez. It's like, whoa. Wow. Damn. How about Enzi? Enzi's okay?
Yes, yes.
on the airplane. This guy hated it, and it didn't affect us at all. But this is affecting us, and he doesn't care. Look at this little boy. Look how much room there is. You can just chill. Oh, you want to put your shoes on? These are his favorite shoes, but I don't know. I only have one beer left. I gotta get another one. That's for sure. Oh, they got a TV up there. So do we, but ours isn't on, eh?
Oh, it's not?
No, theirs is on.
Because they said they will put some entertaining for us.
Like what?
Like a movie.
Debbie Does? Debbie Does Dallas?
I don't know what is that.
You don't know what that is? Okay,
But,
that's good.
what they mean is like they will put a movie for us.
Oh, that's okay. That's perfect, huh?
But we don't have Wi-Fi.
How long does this take?
3 hours.
3 hours. That's not bad though.
It's not bad in here. You have plenty of room. You can walk. Oh, they said also we have a cafeteria.
Yeah, I seen that. I took the camera.
Oh, there it is.
What? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's up there. Ours doesn't work. The one behind us does work.
Maybe I can ask.
Nah, that's okay. We don't need it, do we? We're gonna be entertaining each other. We're eating our jamon. We don't know which one it is, Serrano or Iberica.
Yeah,
It's Serrano?
I think so.
Yeah, look at this guy though. He's killing it. And I ordered a beer. It's called Cruz Campo Especial.
It was cheap. I mean,
It's
it's
cheap.
small.
It's small. It's $3.50, but we expect it to be $5 or more.
3.30.
Yeah, and
He only shares the bread.
yeah, he only shares the bread. The meat is for him. Look at him.
It's like here, Daddy, you can have the bread. You can have the bread. I will have the meat.
Only bread. He's like, you peasants get the bread. That's it.
No, it's okay.
That's okay.
The
Well,
bread is good.
bread.
I was waiting. I was just waiting for some cheese. I like cheese. You put butter, cheese, and this. Perfect sandwich.
But this guy loves it. We're glad though, because he's been sick and he hasn't been eating. But today, oh, he's eating. But I'm gonna sneak some. Can I have some? You let me have some. It's still not bad though. But you gotta admit the jamon that we had in the little cone was a little bit better.
Better with cheese.
Let me get some more of this, eh?
He's like, no.
It's good. Nice little snack on a train, on a bullet train. And it's dark out, sorry.